Updated interior unit offers wood floors, custom millwork, and modern finishes with a classic touch. The main level includes a spacious living room and full-sized front-loading laundry tucked neatly beneath the staircase. The kitchen features granite counters, stainless steel appliances, extended cabinetry, and extra counter space, and has been opened to the dining area for convenience. The dining area provides access to the back deck, ideal for grilling or indoor/outdoor entertaining. The upper level includes a bedroom with a custom wood accent wall and hidden lighting, plus closets with overhead storage and custom glass shelving. A second bedroom with built-in shelving, desk, and large closet is also located upstairs, along with a full bath showcasing white tile, marble counter, and gold finishes. Arlington Village amenities include an outdoor pool, tennis courts, wooded paths, and courtyards, with ample parking available. Convenient location with nearby shopping, dining, and transit options, plus quick access to Crystal City, Pentagon, and DC. $0 security deposit option for qualified residents. See the resident brochure or the property manager website for more details. Resident benefits package is required with all lease agreements managed by Real Property Management Pros. The Real Property Management Pros Resident Benefits Package, RBP, delivers savings and convenient, professional services that make taking care of your home second nature. By applying, applicants agree to be enrolled and to pay the applicable monthly total cost of $45.95 per household. Your RBP may include, subject to property mechanicals or other limitations, renter's insurance that meets all lease requirements from an A-rated carrier, HVAC air filter delivery directly to your door approximately every 90 days, move-in concierge service, one-call setup your utility services, cable, and internet services. A resident rewards program that helps you earn rewards for paying your rent on time. Credit building to help boost your credit score with timely rent payments. $1 million identity protection for all adult leaseholders. 24/7 online maintenance reporting. Home buying assistance for when the time is right to buy your forever home. Online portal, access to your account, documents, communication and payment options. Vetted vendor network, we find the technicians who are reputable, licensed, and insured. Note, the total monthly cost of the resident benefits package is all-inclusive, and no discounts will be given if any element of the package is unavailable due to a lack of HVAC or another limitation at a specific property. See resident brochure or property manager website for more details. Disclaimer, photos may be from a previous listing and may not reflect the current condition.